Welcome to Business Undercurrent. Today, we're diving into what might be Hollywood's biggest bet on artificial intelligence, Netflix's massive $600 million acquisition of InterPositive, a groundbreaking AI startup founded by Ben Affleck. Announced in March of 2026, this isn't just another tech deal. It's one of Netflix's largest acquisitions in history and signals a fundamental shift in how entertainment is made. To understand its significance, consider this. Netflix chose this AI investment over a potential $31 billion bid for a legacy giant like Warner Bros. Discovery. This tells us the future of content creation may not be about owning the most studios, but about owning the smartest tools. So let's unpack what InterPositive actually does, and what this move means for the entire industry. So what exactly is InterPositive? And why is it worth $600 million to Netflix? Think of it as a post-production powerhouse that transforms raw footage, or dailies, into cinematic masterpieces. Here's how it works. The system ingests all the raw footage from a shoot and builds a custom AI model specifically tailored to that single project. This specialized AI then handles the incredibly tedious and expensive tasks, like digitally removing safety wires from stunts, relighting a scene for dramatic effect, or performing complex color correction. Crucially, this is asterisked not generative AI. It doesn't create new content or characters out of thin air without the director's permission. It was built by filmmakers, for filmmakers, which is why human judgment and creative control remain absolutely paramount in the process. In essence, InterPositive gives filmmakers superpowers, expanding their creative choices without ever replacing the artist. Understanding this acquisition means looking at Netflix's strategic master play. Just 7 days before sealing this $600 million tech deal, Netflix reportedly walked away from a monumental $31 billion bid for Warner Bros. Discovery. They chose a lean, proven AI technology and its elite 16-person team over acquiring a massive traditional studio with its sprawling library and infrastructure. This signals a fundamental pivot in their strategy. Netflix is now competing on production innovation, not just on the size of its content catalog. By offering these powerful tools exclusively to its creative partners and not selling them commercially, Netflix is building a powerful competitive moat. This move instantly positions them far ahead of rivals like Amazon and Disney in the race to master AI-assisted filmmaking. This acquisition is a key moment in a quiet revolution that's reshaping the future of filmmaking. We're seeing that the adoption of new technology in creative industries isn't inevitable. It has to be negotiated, and InterPositive provides a compelling template for how to do it responsibly. It's a model built to assist and amplify human talent, not replace it. By making such sophisticated capabilities more accessible, this technology also stands to democratize professional-grade tools for a new generation of independent creators. Ultimately, this $600 million bet is about Netflix's vision for a future defined by AI-augmented storytelling. And it leaves us with the most important question facing the entire industry. Will AI serve to amplify human creativity, or will it ultimately constrain it?